Hi students, good afternoon. This is the third video for this lesson, development resources and development. Okay, this topic is land resources. Yes, we live on land. Yes, definitely we want to accept that without land we can't live in the earth. So earth land is very important for us. We live on land. Then we are using the land. We are using the land in different ways. For example, natural vegetation, forest, and some other more things. Okay, natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay, first one natural vegetation and wildlife. For wild animals also living, and the next transport for railway transport, road transport, and okay, for the maximum of the transport in the land. Next agriculture, we are eating food. For that we are doing cultivation. So agriculture also depend upon the land. Next human life. Okay, maximum of the human life they only depends on land. Without land we can't live. That is true, 100% true. Okay, so the land places were divided into three parts. 100% of the land divided into three types: plain, mountain, and plateau. Plain, mountain, plateau. 43% of the plain in this earth, and the next mountains are 30%, plateaus are 27% in the world. Okay, this is the land reforms. Next land use. Next land use. Yes, how the land is useful for our human being. Yes, land use, how the land is useful for us. Okay, first one forest. Yes, forest is very useful because it is giving more oxygen for us. Next more material we are taking from forest. Okay, from medicine to wood, everything. Okay, firewood, everything we are taking from forest. Next not for cultivation. What are some lands are not cultivation, but we are using, for example, wasteland, barren land, wasteland. And next we build houses, school building or a factory building, everything, road. Okay, for that we are using the land. So not for cultivation, except the cultivation we are using the land. Wasteland, barren land, wasteland, barren land. Okay, next first forest, next not for cultivation, third one other uncultivation. Yes, okay, cultivation land only, but we are not using that for cultivation. Except the cultivation we are using. For example, first one grazing land. Okay, ஆடு மாடு மேய்க்கிறதுக்காக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறது. Okay, we are using for that herding the cow or goat, everything. Next kind of tree crops, some trees we are growing, some tree in the land. Okay, we are not using any other purpose, we are growing for land. Okay, and then third one culturable wasteland, more than 5 year uncultivated. Yes, before 5 year we are used that land for cultivation, but not now. More than 5 year if we are not using the land for cultivation, that is called culturable wasteland. Culturable wasteland. Next fourth point, fallow land. Fourth point, fallow land. The fallow land is divided into two types: current fallow, other than current fallow. Current fallow means 1 year or less than 1 year. Okay, last year I made cultivation in the land, but this year not. Okay, so 1 year or less than 1 year is called fallow land. Or 1 to 5 year, other than current one, if I am not cultivate my land 1 to 5 year, that is called other than current fallow land. Other than current fallow, if I am not cultivated more than 5 year, that is called culturable wasteland. Culturable wasteland. And then next finally net shown area. Okay, fifth one net shown area shown more than once in a year. Yes, we are doing cultivation not only once in a year. Okay, sometimes we are doing more than once in a year, that is called net shown area. Next topic, land use pattern. Okay, land use pattern, you can refer the picture with the PDF or book. Okay, they have given elaborately in the book, so that is no need. Next land and degradation and conservation, how to save the land, how the land is destroyed. Okay, that's 95% of the food we are eating. The food, 95% of the food we are taking from land. Okay, we are living on land. And next we are taking cloth, okay, like cotton and some other things. Okay, we are taking cotton from the land. Next, factory damage land. As we are making more factory like cement factory, leather factory and some other factory, the factories are damaging the land. As the waste, factory waste or pollute the land. Next, deforestation. If you are cutting down the trees, because of that also erosion may happen. Then overgrazing also is making erosion. Next, mining. Because of mining, for iron ore mining, coal mining and more mining, because of bauxite mining, okay, because of mining we are destroying forest, making deforestation. Okay, next, quarrying also making the land degradation. Okay, so deforestation, overgrazing, mining and quarrying. Yes, for example, some states are land degradation done by overgrazing, irrigation and pollution. For example, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. These 4 states were overgrazing made the land degradation. These 4 states land degraded by overgrazing. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. And next, by irrigation, Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh. These 3 states were destroyed the land degradation by over irrigation because of water. Next, cement industry making more pollution in the world. Yes, for example, our Ariyalur city, good example. Cement industries, some other industries making more pollution. Yes, these are the problems. Okay, land degradation. But how to save the land? How to conserve the land? Yes, what is the problem? How to solve the problem? Yes, afforestation. Yes, we want to plant more trees. Okay, make afforestation. Next, proper grazing, not overgrazing, proper grazing. Next, grow thorny bushes. The thorny bushes are reduce the erosion. Grow thorny bushes. Okay, yes, it will reduce the erosion. Next, control mining. We want to control the mining. Okay, not for mining we don't want to destroy the forest. We don't want to make deforestation. Next, proper discharge of factory waste. Yes, more waste were discharged in the water, river water, it will pollute the land. Okay, so we want to control the waste of factory. Next, reduce the water degradation. That's all. If we follow these points, we can solve the problem of land degradation. We can save the land. Next topic, soil as resources. Yes, really soil as resources. Yes, we are depend upon land, but on the land we are using soil. Most important resource. Soil is a most important resource. Yes, few centimeter. Yes, few centimeter. If we want to make few centimeter soil, it will take millions of years. 1 centimeter thickness of soil equal to more than 100 years. More than 100 years we want to wait for 1 centimeter soil. So if we want to make few centimeter soil, for that we want to wait millions of years. How many years? Millions of years. Next, how the soil created. What are the things make the soil? The temperature. Yes, temperature also. In 9th standard we studied about that. How the rocks break in the night time. Snowfall, ice water go inside the break. Okay, cracks of the rocks. In the daytime it will make heat. Because of that the rock become destroyed. Then it become the soil. So temperature, water erosion, wind erosion, glacier erosion, they are making the soil. Okay, so the soil is very important resource for us. Next, various types of soil made by relief features, landforms, climate and vegetation. As vegetation also help to make soil. So they have given more or 5 to 6 soil. Okay, forest soil. Okay, first alluvial soil. This is the oldest. Okay, very important. From Himalayan mountain. From Himalayan mountain, the Himalayan rivers are make deposit the alluvial soil. The alluvial soil, two types, Bangar and Gadar. Next black soil, next yellow soil and red soil and yellow soil, laterite soil, arid soil, forest soil. First one, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is divided into two types. One is old alluvium, next new alluvium. Old alluvium soil, new alluvial soil. Yeah, this is the most widespread in India. Most of the places occupied by alluvial soil. Yes, for example, Himalayan river system deposited more. Yes, Himalayan rivers, Indus River, Ganga River, Brahmaputra. These are largest river in India. Okay, so these three rivers erode the soil from Himalayan mountain, Himalayan hills, then deposit this in northern plains. Deposit in northern plains. So maximum of North India covered by alluvial soil. The alluvial soil divided into old and new. So Gadar, okay, Gadar and Bangar. Gadar soil is new alluvial soil. This is having fine particle, small. The soil is small size. Okay, fine particle, and it is having more fertile. Yes, new alluvium, more fertile. And next, Bangar. This is old alluvium. This is having less particle. This is less particle. This is big size. Okay, compare with the new alluvium. Old alluvium is little larger. Okay, that's all. Next, this is alluvial soil over. Next, black soil. Black soil always in black in color, as we know about that. And the next, this another one name is we are using the black soil for cotton. So this is called black cotton soil or cotton soil or Reger soil. Yes, there are more names for black soil. Yes, black. This is in black color. It spread Deccan Plateau. Yes, it is created by lava. Yes, we have studied the earth divided into three types: crust, mantle, core. From the core, lava coming out of the earth by volcanoes. Okay, so maximum the black soil made by volcanoes as lava, and the lavas are coming out. After that, it become cool. It become black in color. Yes, this is full and full clay material. Clay material, Kaliman, clay material, full and full. It hold moisture. It absorb more water in it. Compare with the other soil, black soil absorb more water, it hold moisture, it is having rich nutrients. The black soil is having rich nutrient. Yes, in the summer season, because of moisture, it lose the moisture, so it make deep crack. Yes, okay, deep cracks in summer. Yes, so black soil. Third one, red and yellow soil. Red soil only after losing the hydrate, it become yellow soil, yellow color. Okay, so red and yellow soil formed by crystalline igneous rock. As in 7th standard we have read three types of sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, igneous rock. So red soil formed by igneous rock. So it is having low rainfall area. We can find red soil in low rainfall area. Yes, this red soils are maximum used to grow the nuts, cashew nut and some other thing. Okay, nuts. And the next, this is in reddish color. The red soil is having more iron. Yes, red soil is having more iron. Because of iron only, the soil is in red color. Okay, next, when hydrated yellow color, the red soil, when the red soil hydrated, it became yellow in color. So the red soil also over. Next, fourth one, laterite soil. Later, okay, later, and Latin word later means brick, single, okay. Later word, yes, we know about that. Which color in brick, okay, yes, in the red in color only. So we can find this kind of soil, laterite soil, in tropical and subtropical area. Yes, for example, good in India, okay, tropical and subtropical area. It is very deep, not in shallow, it is in deep. We can find it in deep. So deciduous and the evergreen forest, are grow in laterite soil. Deciduous forest means we know shed the leaves, and sometimes evergreen forest also. Deciduous forest and evergreen forest growing in laterite soil. Next, it is not like black soil. Black soil absorb more water, having more humidity, but here it is poor humidity, humus, as the Eerapadam, okay, it is less, very less. So the laterite soil need more water for cultivation. Laterite soil is more water for cultivation. And the next, arid soil. Yes, arid soil is in brown in color. Which color? Brown in color. This is look like sandy soil, okay, sandy. And the next, saline. This soil is having more salt, okay, sandy soil, it is having more saline, salt very high. So some area, not in all the area, some areas the arid soil is having more sand. That's okay. At the same time, fastly lose humus. This it is absorbing the humus. When downpour, it is absorbing the water, and the next, easily it lose the humus and moisture. If we have proper irrigation, cultivation possible. If we want to do the cultivation in the arid soil, we need more irrigation facilities, we need more water, otherwise we can't do cultivation in arid soil. As last one, forest soil. This forest soil is found in mountain places, hill, for example Himalaya, Aravalli, Vindhya, Satpura ranges, okay. So in the mountain places we can find this kind of soil. This is called a forest soil, because mountain places having more trees, varied according to mountain. Yes, mountain, for example, more mountains, Aravalli mountain is there. Aravalli mountain not giving more rainfall, but Himalayan mountain range is having more rainfall. So each and every mountain is having different forest soil found in snow covered area. Yes, the forest soil is maximum found in snow covered area. Good example Himalaya. Yes, okay, that's all. Next, in the soil erosion only. Soil erosion, we want to make a forestation, plant the trees, and can use the chemical less as everything. You can read in the PDF. Okay, thank you.